Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at the overview of AWS Management Console. We're going to log into our AWS Management Console using the root account email, which we use to create the free account, and the password. If you have not created an AWS account, or if you don't know how to create an AWS free tier account, please watch the video on how to create AWS account. AWS gives you 1 year of free tier account for you to use with 1 year, so long as you stay within the free tier limit. Now, to go to the AWS Management Console, we need to open a browser and go to aws.com/console. I'm going to open a browser. I'll go to aws.amazon.com/console. Then here, if you have previously logged into the console before, you click on log back in. This is AWS Management Console. Everything you need to access and manage AWS Cloud in one web interface. I'm going to click here to sign into the console. Then you want to sign in using your root account, not as an IAM user. We're going to go over IAM in our upcoming videos, but now we're going to sign in using our root account. So you click on that and you select here to click. You click sign in. You put in your root user email address here and click on next. Then provide your password. This is the password you use when you sign up with AWS free tier account. Then click on sign in. Once you sign in, your dashboard, your environment will look like this. If you have recently visited any AWS service, you see them here. If not, you can click on view all AWS services here. Then this will show you all services that AWS provides, which is categorized. They have the compute category where you have your EC2. EC2 is AWS virtual machine. You have Lightsail, you have Lambda, you have containers category where you have Elastic Container Service, you have your Kubernetes, you have your Red Hat OpenShift. Under storage services, you have S3, EFS, which is Elastic File System. Under developer tools, which is used for DevOps, you have your code start, the code commit, the code build, machine learning, cloud, financial management. We have also business applications. We have AWS has different services, Internet of Things, where they have IoT. They have under security and compliance. This is where you have your Cognito, you have your Secret Manager, you have your Guard Duty, you have your IAM, which stands for Identities and Access Management, which is one of the things we're going to take a look at. Okay, so on the left here, if you click on this AWS icon, that takes you to your AWS console dashboard or the home page. Then you can click on these services. That will show you all the services and the recently visited services. You can filter services here by typing one of the services like EC2. That will filter it out and give you EC2 rather than going through all the services and looking for EC2. Okay, this is for AWS Cloud Shell. This icon, AWS Cloud Shell, is a web-based interface where AWS gives you command line tools for you to be able to use AWS. It says unable to create environment, your account verification is in progress. This may take up to 2 days for new accounts. If you have any further questions, please contact AWS support. So this is still a brand new account. I'm not going to be able to use AWS Cloud Shell until they finish their verification. Next, I'm going to close this out. Next, the notification bell is where you have any AWS notifications. So a central location for your AWS notifications in AWS Management Console. Notification can be sent to email, mobile devices, and chat. So this is if you have any notification or any open issues, you will have it here. Right now there is zero open issues, no schedule changes, no other notification. Okay, we'll go to the next icon, which is the support. If you click on that support, you will see different ways you can get support from AWS, which includes Support Center. If you click on that, here you should be able to create a case. If you have any existing case, you should also see your existing cases here, if any, or you can create a new one. This is the quick solutions. This tab is for account and billing. If your case is regarding technical issues, you select it, then you go ahead and click on create case or whatever information you need to have. Okay, still on the support, you can get expert help. If you click on expert help, this is where AWS will link you to some of their partners that provide solutions to some of your problems. This may not be free, or it may be free. You can see expert features. This guy is in US. He's a specialty in security. This guy is a specialty in data analytics. This guy is a solutions architect professional. You can have more information about expert help here. Okay, so we'll go back to our dashboard. Go back to our dashboard. If we click on AWS documentation, this is huge. This is one of the ways you can get help in AWS. AWS has huge documentation on any of their services. You can search for it here by searching it here, or you can go to featured content like Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, Amazon AWS Lambda, and so on. Okay, so go back to the support portal. We have training. AWS provides so many trainings, both paid ones and unpaid ones. The paid ones, you will see them here. The unpaid ones, you also see them here. AWS provides a lot of free video trainings. If you want to explore digital training, you click here, or develop your own team, you click there. Okay, going back, some of the information here is hidden or not hidden. Some of the information here is personal to this account, so I am not going to be able to show you some of those information that are personal. But if you click on, let's take a look at this icon settings. This is where you can change your background to dark or light if you want. This is where you can change your default language. My language is English because I'm in the US. We speak English, but you can change your language. Still on this, you can go to more settings and you see more settings. If you look here, because I clicked on the support center, okay, the support center is global. It is not specific to any region. I'm going to close this. Okay, and then if I go out of support center, or rather, because I'm in AWS support center, I'm seeing global here. But if you click on that, you see the regions. These are all AWS regions, which are all grayed out because of where I am. I'm at the support center, and that is global. So I'm going to close that up. Let's say I close this tab, go back to the AWS console by clicking that. Then you see that global has changed to US East North Virginia. This is the region where my account resides in. If I click on this drop down menu, I can change my account to Ohio region or to US West North California region. Your account can reside in any region. I can decide to go to Frankfurt, Europe, which is in Germany, and my account will be in Germany. Okay, now if we hover your cursor here, this is where you have your information about your account, about account billing, and so on and so forth. So this is if I click on this, you go to billing dashboard, billing and cost management. You see that I do not have any bill yet. Okay, it's a brand new account, no bill yet. If you click on bills or click on payments, you can go all through all this. So this is how to take a look at the AWS Management Console. Next video, I'm going to show you how we can secure our AWS account, the best practices to secure AWS root account. Again, thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next video.